Hi, if you want to activate Hey Google option into your VIVO V20 SE, firstly open Google application, this one, and next go into more option on the bottom and go into settings. Then choose voice, and here we got a voice match, so click it, and here we got Hey Google options to turn off. Now we tap to turn on, and then need to access your Hey Google options, so click next. I agree, and now we activate our Hey Google option onto VIVO V20 SE. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.